Determine the equation of the ellipse using the information below. The two foci are 0, 2 and 0, -2. Eccentricity equals 0.1. Let's first plot the two foci, which again are 0, 2 and 0, -2. The two foci always lie on the major axis, which indicates the ellipse has a vertical major axis. This indicates the equation will be in the form where a is greater than b, meaning the larger denominator will be under the y part of the equation, and the equation is the square of x minus h divided by b squared plus the square of y minus k divided by a squared equals 1. Where h, k is the center, the length of the major axis is 2a, the length of the minor axis is 2b, a squared equals b squared plus c squared, and the eccentricity equals c divided by a. Let's find the center next. The center will be the midpoint of the segment connecting the two foci, which in our case indicates the center is at the origin, which is the ordered pair 0, 0, which indicates for the equation h equals 0 and k equals 0. Now we need to work on determining a squared and b squared by first determining c, where c is the distance from the center to either focus. Notice in our case, c is equal to 2. So we know c equals 2, we don't know a, and we don't know b. But we do know the eccentricity equals 0.1 or 1/10, and the eccentricity is equal to c divided by a, where we know c equals 2, and we don't know a, but now we can solve this proportion to determine a. We can either cross multiply and get a equals 20, or write 1/10 as an equivalent fraction with a numerator of 2 by multiplying 1/10 by 2 over 2. Either way, we have a equals 20. And if a equals 20, then a squared equals the square of 20, which is 400. Now that we know a and c, we can determine b or b squared using the equation a squared equals b squared plus c squared, or solving for b squared, we have b squared equals a squared minus c squared. This gives us b squared equals a squared is 400, minus c squared is the square of 2 or 4, and therefore b squared equals 396. We don't actually have to find b, just b squared to write the equation, and therefore we could stop. We know h is 0, we know k is 0, we know b squared is 396, and we know a squared equals 400. This gives us the equation x squared divided by b squared, which is 396, plus y squared divided by a squared, which is 400, equals 1. I hope you found this helpful.